So here you see dihydroorotate, then it is converted to orotate. Here PRPP, that is active form of ribose sugar, is added. Then it is converted to OMP, and OMP is converted to UMP. And one point is there are two enzyme complexes which are functioning in this pyrimidine synthesis pathway. There is difference between carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1 and carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 2. You know CPS1, CPS2, cellular location, mitochondria, cytosol, pathway involved, urea cycle, pyrimidine synthesis, source of nitrogen, and regulator. Regulator are activator is of CPS1 is NAG, that is N-acetyl glutamate, and CPS2 activator is PRPP and inhibitor is UTP. So this CPS2 step is a regulated step in the pyrimidine synthesis. Now UMP, which is sequentially phosphorylated to UDP and UTP. And what about CTP? CTP is produced by the amination of UTP, and the enzyme is CTP synthetase, and amino group is donated by the glutamine. So the CTP is synthesized. Now coming to the deoxypyrimidines. So that happens at the diphosphate level. The UDP produces deoxy-UDP by the same enzyme ribonucleotide reductase, which R2 dimer. And here is one important point to remember, that deoxy-UDP is phosphorylated to deoxy-UTP, and which is rapidly hydrolyzed to deoxy-UMP by the enzyme UTP diphosphatase. Why this rapidly? Because if DUTP is available, it will be incorporated into the DNA, which is a erroneous incorporation. So to decrease the possibility of erroneous incorporation of uracil into DNA, this deoxy-UTP is rapidly converted to the deoxy-UMP, and that reduces the availability of deoxy-UTP. Now this DUMP, deoxy-UMP, is converted to deoxy-TMP by the enzyme thymidylate synthase enzyme. You have to remember this enzyme. What happens here is the methyl group is donated by N5 and 10 methylene tetrahydrofolate, and this is again an unusual reaction. What happens? This tetrahydrofolate always donates a 1 carbon group, but in this reaction with thymidylate synthase, it contributes 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen atoms, and that leads to the oxidation of tetrahydrofolate to dihydrofolate. And this dihydrofolate is again reduced with the help of dihydrofolate reductase enzyme. This thymidylate synthase enzyme is inhibited permanently by 5-fluorouracil, which is a thiamine analog and anti-cancer drug, and this is a suicide inhibition. And this dihydrofolate reductase is inhibited by folic acid analog, that is methotrexate, which is again an anti-cancer drug. Salvage of pyrimidine, very few pyrimidines are salvaged by nucleoside kinases and orotate phosphoribosyl transferase, which salvages the orotic acid by converting it to the OMP. End products: beta-alanine, beta-amino isobutyrate, ammonia, and carbon dioxide, which are all highly water soluble. Orotic aciduria, orotate phosphoribosyl transferase, and OMP decarboxylase, last two enzymes of the synthesis pathway of the pyrimidine, are separate domains of single polypeptide enzyme, that is UMP synthase. If there is low activity of these two enzymes, that results in poor growth, megaloblastic anemia, and excretion of large amount of orotate in the urine. And you have to differentiate with the amino aciduria and between the amino aciduria and orotic aciduria. Now the administration of pyridine results in the improvement of the condition, and in the anemia and decreased excretion of orotate. In Reye syndrome, which happens after the viral fever, that means the after flu or chicken pox, in which, and it happens in the, it is seen in the children, and there happens swelling of brain tissue and liver tissue, and that damages the brain and liver, and which is a fatal condition. And that leads to again the urea cycle enzymes, because what happens there, is mitochondria is severely damaged, so urea cycle enzymes are also become deficient, and this leads to the excess carbamoyl phosphate, which is not utilized for the synthesis of citrulline, exits to cytosol and stimulate the pyrimidine nucleotide biosynthesis and leading to orotic aciduria. And the certain drugs may precipitate orotic aciduria, that is allopurinol, which is used in the case of gout, and which competes with orotic acid, resulting in orotic aciduria. Thank you.